Hi, my name is Dreyvon McCray, and I'm a chemistry major at Governor State University. I'm an intern in Dr. Corey Monroe's lab at the Field Museum. My research focuses on an ant species called the giant turtle ant and three types of microbes found in the ant. The first is cordyceps, a common fungal parasite in insects. Cordyceps is called the zombie fungus. It changes the behavior of ants by causing it to die in a place where the fungus can infect other ants. The second microbe is called Wolbachia, which is a bacteria that infects many insects. Wolbachia is known to affect the reproduction of its host. The third group is called Rhizobiales, a bacteria that has been found inside the guts of turtle ants. Some rhizobiales help plants turn nitrogen into a usable form. It's likely that the rhizobiales in turtle ants helps get nitrogen into their diet. My goal was to screen different populations of the giant turtle ant for microbes to understand their prevalence and diversity. I determined whether the microbes were present by using a molecular tag specific to each microbial group. If the microbes were present, I then sequenced a part of their DNA and looked for the differences in the sequences to understand microbial variation. I found Rhizobiales was detected in every ant colony. The Wolbachia and Cordyceps parasites were also common, but not as common as Rhizobiales. This result makes sense because Rhizobiales is important for the diet of the ants and is likely needed for the ants to survive. Based on the DNA sequences we have found so far, there is little variation within each microbial group. By getting hands-on research experience, I've gained a new perspective on the scientific method. As a chemistry major, I didn't think much about insects or know they had microbes. But now I find the research interesting and important to understand. My goal is to work in a research lab for a big corporation or the government. I've learned new lab techniques and analysis. I've been working with other interns this summer, and by collaborating with them, I've observed how different people work in the lab. Turtle ants have heads that are made to block competitors and intruders from their colonies. And this is how it goes. You got it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned as much information as I've enjoyed doing the research for this project. Hold on, pause it, cut.